produced by machine C is 3%. Now what is the required probability that it is produced by machine A? So required probability is probability of A upon E. So required probability A upon E. So probability of A, E upon A upon sum of all these probabilities, probability of A, E upon A plus probability of B, E upon B plus probability of C, E upon C. Put the values probability of A into E upon A. 6 by 10 into 1 by 100 plus 3 by 10 into 2 by 100 plus 1 by 10 into 3 by 100. 1000 common 6 by 1000. 6 plus 3 into 2 plus 3 into 1. 6 by 15, that is 2 by 5. 2 by 5. Note it down. Now the next one is write down the statement of next question. Two groups are competing. Two groups are competing for the position of board of directors of corporation, board of directors of corporation. The probability that first and second groups will win. The probability that first and second group will win are 0.6 and 0.4 respectively. The probability that first and second group will win are 0.6 and 0.4. Further, if first group wins, probability of introducing a new product is probability of introducing a new product is 0.7 and corresponding probability is 0.3 and corresponding probability is 0.3 if second group wins. If second group wins, find the probability that new product is introduced by second group. lost by second group. There are two groups competing for the position of board of directors of corporation. The probability that first and second group will win कि first group जीतता है या second group जीतता है उसकी probability given है. अगर first group जीतता है तो अपना एक नया प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च करता है जिसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी है 0.7 और अगर सेकंड ग्रुप जीतता है तो नया प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च करने की प्रोबेबिलिटी है 0.3. सो व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट जो न्यू प्रोडक्ट है दैट इज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड बाय सेकंड ग्रुप. लेट अस स्टार्ट. प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ E1, let E1 and E2 be the event that first and second group wins. Probability of E1 कि फर्स्ट ग्रुप जीतता है उसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी हमारे पास क्या है 0.6, so 6/10. Probability of E2 second group जीतता है 0.4, so 4/10. Now the next is E be the event to introduce a new product. Let E be the event of introducing new product. So probability of E upon E1 जो new product है that is introduced by the group 1, so that's probability is 0.7. And probability of E upon E2 जो new product है that is introduced by the second group, its probability is 0.3, so 3/10. Now what we want to find जो new product है that was introduced by the second group, so probability of E2 upon E, required probability is probability of E2 upon E, that is equals to probability of E, probability of E upon E2 upon probability of E1, E upon E1, probability of E2, E upon E2. Put the values. Probability of E2 4/10, E upon E2 3/10, 6/10 into 7/10 plus 4/10 into 3/10. Solve it. 4 into 3, 12 upon 100. 42 upon 100 plus 12 upon 100. By taking the LCM, 42 plus 12. So 12 upon 54. 12 upon 54. 2/9. Note it down. Now the next one is write down the statement. There are 3 coins. Write down. There are 3 coins. One is two-headed coin. Two-headed coins mean having heads on both sides. One is two-headed coin having head on both faces. Another is a biased coin. Another is a biased coin Another is biased coin that comes up tails. That comes up tail 25% of total times. 25% of times. And third is unbiased coin. And third is unbiased coin. Third is unbiased coin. One of the three coins is chosen at random. One of the three coins are chosen at random. One of the three coins are chosen at random and tossed. Random and tossed. If it shows heads, it shows head. What is the probability that? What is the probability that it is two-headed coin? What is the probability that it is two-headed coin? There are three coins. One coin है जिसके दोनों faces पे head है. Second is the biased coin. इसमें 25% times tail आता है. And the third is unbiased coin. हमने one coin select किया out of three और उस पे head आया. What is the probability that कि जो हमने coin select किया it is two-headed coin? Write down. Let E1, E2, E3 be even of choosing two-headed, biased or unbiased coin. Biased, unbiased coin. So probability of E1, E2, E3. Since there are three coins and chances of selecting one coin is 1 by 3. Now head has come, so probability, let E1 be the event, let E be the event that it shows head. So probability of E upon E1, head show होता है फर्स्ट केस में, फर्स्ट कॉइन के केस में. फर्स्ट कॉइन के केस में क्या है, दोनों साइड्स पे हमारे पास हेड है. सो प्रोबेबिलिटी होगी हेड आने की प्रोबेबिलिटी 2, टोटल नंबर ऑफ आउटकम्स इज आल्सो 2. सो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ E upon E1 that is 1. So probability of E upon E2, 25% टाइम्स हमारे पास टेल आता है तो हेड कितनी परसेंट टाइम्स आएगा, 75% टाइम्स हेड आएगा. सो हेड आने की प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या हो गई, 100. 75 upon 100 that is 3 by 4. Now probability of E upon E3. E3 is the event of unbiased coin. So what is the probability of getting a head in the case of unbiased coins? 1 by 2. Unbiased coins mean one तरफ हमारे पास one face पे head है and one face पे tail. So probability of getting head is 1 by 2. Now the required probability is E1 upon E. Two-headed coin. So the required probability is probability of E1 upon E. Required probability E1 upon E. Probability of E1, E upon E1 upon probability of E1, E upon E1 plus probability of E2, E upon E2 plus probability of E3 E upon E3. Now put the values here. What is the probability of E1? 1 by 3 into 1 upon 1 by 3 into 1 plus 1 by 3 into 3 by 4 plus 1 by 3 into 1 by 2. Now solve these values. 1 by 3, take 1 by 3 common, 1 plus 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2. So 1 upon, take the LCM. So 4 by 9. Note it down. Now the next one is write down the statement. Question number 29. Write down. Colored balls are distributed in 3 bags. Colored balls are distributed in 3 bags. Bag 1, 2 and 3. Black, white and red. Color of the balls are black, white and red. In first bag, 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 1, 4, 5 and 3. Next, a bag is selected at random. A bag is selected at random and then 2 balls are drawn from it. Then 2 balls are drawn from selected bag. First हमने एक bag select किया, उसमें से 2 balls select की गई हैं. They happen to be black and red. They happen to be black and red. What is the probability that? What is the probability that it comes from bag 1? What is the probability that it comes from bag 1? Let E1, E2, E3 be the event. That bag 1, 2 and 3 are selected. So what is the probability of E1, E2 and E3? There are 3 bags. So chances of selecting one bag is 1 by 3. So probability of E1, E2 and E3 is 1 by 3. Let E be the event to draw a black and red ball. Let E be the event to draw black and red ball. So probability of E upon E1. अगर जो black ब्लैक और रेड बॉल है, फर्स्ट बैग में से सिलेक्ट होती है। फर्स्ट बैग में से ब्लैक आने की प्रोबेबिलिटी एंड रेड आने की प्रोबेबिलिटी 3C1। टोटल नंबर ऑफ balls 5 plus 1 6. We have to select 2 balls, so 6C2. So 1C1, 3C1 is 3 factorial, 3 minus 1 2 factorial, 6 2 and 4. So 3 here, 6 into 5 into 4 factorial, 2 into 4 factorial. So 3 upon 15. 3 upon 15, that is 1 by 5. Note up to here. Now probability of E upon E2. Second में से black 2 2C1, red 1 1C1. Total number of balls are 7, so 7C2. 2C1 2 factorial, 7 5. So 2 by 21. Probability E upon E2 is 2 by 21. Now probability of E upon E3. Number of black balls 4C1, red 3C1, 12C.